Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. In today's video, we're going to be sharing some natural love boosting smoothie remedy that would take your inner room experience to the next level. Here are the ingredients you need: tiger nuts, you're going to add coconuts, and you will be needing some dates. Basically, this is how to simply prepare your tiger nut milk. But guys, this is not what we are doing in today's video, so please watch till the end. So the first thing I do is to crush the tiger nut, the coconut, and the dates dry. I like to crush them dry before adding any water because it makes it easier to blend and form a paste quickly. So I'm going to be adding half bottle of water, and after that I'm going to blend it to a very smoothened paste. And I'm telling you, this recipe would wow you. My husband hasn't recovered from this cup of smoothie, so please watch till the end. And after blending it, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl where we are doing the sieving. You know how we do our tiger nut milk, where after making it, we try as much as possible to juice out the liquid. So I'm just going to sieve this and get all the liquid. And here is our liquid looking so luscious. Oh my goodness. So next step, I am going to transfer this into our blender, and I'm going to be adding some bananas, and this is the icebreaker: Vengeance Fruit Fields Greek yogurt. You can actually use any yogurt of your choice, and I added 2 spoons of that Greek yogurt, and I am blending it to a very, very smoothing paste. Oh my goodness, guys, you need to try this, because after a cup of this smoothie, your inner room experience will never remain the same. And please note, these recipes are strictly for couples. So guys, I want you to enjoy this recipe all through this year, not just for Valentine, because this recipe is coming to make your Valentine experience a wowful one. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then give me a thumbs up for this recipe if you know you're gonna try this. And don't also forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let's know what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you all in our next video, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.